Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Barnesville, local and long distance movers near me. When a move is more than 50 miles long, regardless of whether it's inside the same state, it is considered long distance. Make use of our moving services for local, statewide, and interstate relocations. We have strong working relationships with the appropriate officials, both federal and local, who oversee all moves. Furthermore, we care about our customers' safety and the safety of their things. Therefore, we've established insurance coverage to cover hazard liabilities during the relocation process. We have also the most diligent drivers and movers that will transport safely your belongings to your new home. Furthermore, our company provides cost-effective services, so you won't have to worry about us defrauding you. Local moves are typically less expensive than long-distance moves, and we keep our charges low, between $30 and $40 per hour, to accommodate our customers' budgets. If you hire our local moving services, we'll make it a point to provide you with the value for your money by utilizing the services of our qualified and diligent movers. We also have experience in congested neighborhoods and can assist you in moving your belongings to your new house as efficiently as possible. When it comes to detailing the moving work, the best team of local movers will assist you in making the right decisions. If you have any doubts, you can ask around and find out what we have the best reviews from the locals. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Barnesville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.